All right, we got the Char-Broil Thermos 420. It's outside. It's not windy, rainy, or nasty, but it sure is hot as hell. South Florida, it's not fall yet. It's 101 in that grill and it's not even on. I'm gonna put a temperature probe in there. We'll check low, medium, high, and see what kind of temperatures we get out of this thing. I also bought a cover off Amazon, $13.99. And let's see if this thing fits. All right, we got a warning on the grill cover. To avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a toy. Roger that. All right, does this thing really cause suffocation? Couldn't almost get that bag off my head because it was all sweaty and stuck to me. I almost did suffocate. All right, I'm gonna give 2 thumbs up to the grill cover for $13. This is nice. It's kind of canvasy material. It's much better than I expected. It came with a pair of gloves, which I don't even think that was in the description of the item. So, oh, it's even got an accessory pouch here. It's got straps on the sides to tighten her down, to suck her in around the grill if you want to. You can pull it in and Velcro them so it can't blow off. I give the $13 grill cover 2 thumbs up. Instructions say to turn this on high for 15 or 20 minutes to burn off all the grease from packaging. That's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna monitor how hot this gets for the 15 or 20 minutes. I got the probe hooked to the bottom of this shelf, and that'll put it right near the cook grate when it's closed. Let's fire this up. Okay, this grill's starting off at 105. We're gonna fire this baby up. Okay, I can hear flames. We're gonna close it and let it go for 20 minutes. Okay, the grill thermometer in the lid is 550, going up to 600. The lid of that grill is reading 200. The grates are at 860. You want some high heat cooking, this baby's gonna do it for you. The probe, I had to get rid of the probe. It high temped it. It went over temp at 572. But right now that grill grate's at 851. That's hot. That's definitely a high heat grill. You can get a sear on a lot of things at 850 degrees. Now we're gonna turn this down because tonight we're making smash burgers. So we're gonna start at low. These gloves are like uni-fit, but you know what? It's better than nothing because I burnt the shit out of my thumb taking that temperature probe out of that damn grill. All right. This baby maxed out. It goes to 650. It's burning my gloves. It's way over 650. Ouch. All right, for the smash burgers, we're gonna put a cast iron skillet on there. We're gonna let that heat up. We'll do low and see what the temperature comes up to. Okay, the grill's been on low 20 minutes. The air probe says it's at 570. That grill temperature is 570, 560. All right, here we go. You got a golf ball size pieces of beef on there. We're gonna smash shit out of them. And there we go. We'll let those go for a minute or two. Salt and pepper that one side. Wow, those smell really good. All right, let's flip them. Oh, look how crunchy those are. I screwed that one up, but that's okay. I got 6 more to make. All right, let's check these babies. They're at 150. I'm taking them off. I like my burgers not well done. All right, there's our smash burgers. Is they as thin as they could be? No, probably not. Because I think I used almost a half a cup of beef per patty. Next time I'll probably slim it down. Look at the crust on that burger. Man, this is gonna be so good. All right, let's plate this up. Okay, mayonnaise on the bun creates a barrier so the burger grease doesn't soak through the bun and make it all soggy. So we're gonna start out with that. And I love mayo. A couple of tomatoes, we'll put some more lettuce on the top. All right, here we go with that crusty smash burger. Wow, that is good. The crunch on that burger, superior. That is so good. Oh, wow. The crunch on that burger is phenomenal. That is really good. Could they be thinner? Absolutely. But the crust I got on these, this is the first time I've made smash burgers, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Now I just got to perfect it. I used about a half cup of beef per burger. They say to use 2 ounces. Now half a cup measured about 2 ounces, but next time I'd use a little less beef, maybe between a quarter and a half, maybe a third cup, and that way they'll smash a little flatter. And I only cooked them for maybe 3.5, 4 minutes tops total. And these came out really, really good. You know, with the smash burger, when you make the meatball, you throw it on the grill and you smash it immediately because all the fat is still solidified, so it's not gonna squish out on you like people that cook burgers, the fatter burgers, and then are pushing them on the grill and pushing all the juice out. This thing is, I mean, this thing is juicy. I give 2 thumbs up on the smash burger. Well, cheers with a nice cold gin and tonic with some lime, and thanks for watching. Make yourself some smash burgers. I'd make them thinner next time, but man, I'll tell you what, the first round that I tried, delicious. Take care. See ya.